I'm the energy killer. I kill people so that I can find out which type of energy is most effective. The cops are never gonna find me.
I'm detective number 1.
No, I'm detective number 1. Anyways, we're detectives that are part of an elite task force whose sole purpose is to bring the energy killer to justice.
The energy killer's MO is a Delta H that she'll use at every crime scene. And she killed my father. So, prepare to die.
Wait, stop!
So this is the body that you found?
Yeah, this is the 12th time this month the energy killer has struck. We must stop her.
How do you think she did it this time?
She must have used either nuclear, thermal, chemical, or mechanical energy.
Well, I think we can rule out nuclear energy for obvious reasons. If she used nuclear energy, we'd have a bigger problem on our hands.
Journal entry number 56. Nuclear energy is the use of nuclear reactions that release nuclear energy to generate heat. There are two types of nuclear energy, fission and fusion. Fusion is the collision of two or more light nuclei into a heavier nucleus to produce energy. Fission is when an atom absorbs a neutron and splits into two new atoms, releasing three new neutrons and energy. Journal entry number 62. Thermal energy is the internal energy of an object due to the kinetic energy of its atoms or molecules. The atoms or molecules of a hotter object have greater kinetic energy than that of a colder one.
Maybe she used thermal energy to kill the pig. She could have burned it.
Let's test it in the lab. Was killed by thermal energy.
What about chemical energy? She could have poisoned the pig.
Journal entry number 57. Chemical energy is the energy stored in bonds of chemical compounds. It is released in a chemical reaction.
So she killed him using hydrochloric acid.
Okay, when you mix water, sodium chloride, and sodium bisulfate, the sodium chloride and sodium bisulfate dissociates in water and rearranges to form new compounds like hydrochloric acid. During this process, the bonds break and release energy. He wasn't killed from hydrochloric acid, a product of chemical energy.
So let's try out mechanical energy.
Journal entry number 57. Mechanical energy is the type of energy associated with the movement of objects. It is the sum of potential energy and kinetics. Potential energy is the energy an object has because of its position rather than motion. For example, when the ball is at the top of the hill, it has high gravitational potential energy.
This ball has a bunch of potential energy and no kinetic energy because it's at the top of the hill.
She must have used mechanical energy to kill the pig.
While looking at the snap neck of the pig, I have to agree with you. Energy can't be created or destroyed according to the law of conservation of energy. Energy killer has to get her energy from somewhere.
If we just take away her source of energy, then she can't create any more energy and kill more innocent people.
You're under arrest!
We took away your coffee, your source of energy. No! Case closed.
Freeze! You're under arrest!
energy killer. I kill people to find out which type of energy.
Did you start?
Yeah. Just go.
No.
No.
Wait.
Stop.
Can you cut it?
Yeah, I can cut it.
Oh my God, there's a dead body.
This is the 12th time the energy killer has struck this month.
How did she
We have-